Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this brilliant Volvo V70 2.4 D5 SE Lux Geartronic. Now this vehicle is currently run 76,762 miles and it's finished in the colour bright silver. If you'd like more information, please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. Now let's take a look around the vehicle here. Starting at the front, you do have your halogen headlamps there which light up the road nice and well, giving you great visibility at night. Your Volvo badge in the centre there, nice and large on the front grille. Moving around to the side here, you do have your 17-inch alloy wheels that really complement the vehicle. You have your indicator integrated into the door mirror there. And now let's go ahead and take a look inside to the rear of the vehicle. Here inside you will find your gorgeous black leather interior. On the outer seats you will find ISOFIX points, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. You even have a pull-out armrest in the middle seat so you can travel comfortably here at the rear. There's even a 12-volt socket as well for charging devices up. Moving around to the rear here now, you do have your V70 badging on the tailgate. You do have a powered tailgate that can be opened using the key fob, providing you easy access into the nice spacious boot. You can see you do have a spare wheel there, which is great if you end up with a puncture, as you can change this super easily and continue with your journey rather than being left stranded at the side of the road waiting for recovery. Up top there you will find a button allowing you to easily close the tailgate, which is super handy when your hands are full unloading the vehicle. You don't have to struggle reaching up to shut it. Take a look inside here at the front now, you have your leather multifunction steering wheel there. Up top you will find a very nice sunroof that lets plenty of light into the vehicle and is a nice little touch to have on those sunny days. You do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat with your electric adjustment there, and you even have memory settings as well, so you can save your preferred driving position and always revert back to it if you have additional drivers who may change it. And now that we've had a look around, I'm now going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this Volvo V70 has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you will find your electric mirror adjustments that include folding. With the folding, you can quickly fold the mirrors in and keep them nice and protected. It's super handy, for example, as well when parking on narrow roads, as you can prevent the mirrors from being knocked off by other road users, as they do tuck nice and tightly into the vehicle. You do have full electric windows, and you have a button there for locking your rear windows and the doors for child lock. You do have automatic headlights, so when set to auto you don't have to worry about turning them on. They will turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road and not lose concentration. You have your wiper stock there behind the right of the steering wheel, and here on the right you do have your volume controls for the infotainment system along with changing track and station. Here to the left you do have your adaptive cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys as it means you don't have to keep your foot held on the accelerator the whole time, and it does allow you to arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less strain in your foot. With the adaptive feature there, you can see you can set up a distance that the vehicle will keep you from vehicles ahead. The vehicle will automatically slow down and speed back up when it's clear and safe to do so. You can see there at the end of the indicator stock you have some controls for your trip computer here, surrounded by your rev counter. You can display all different information on there, including a speed limit recognition, so you can be sure you're going the right speed limit on the road you're on. Below here you do have your radio. You do have FM and AM radio, and it's very easy to tune in your favourite stations into the vehicle with a list of stations you have available to you that you then can go on to save as presets, so you can always find your favourite stations and listen whenever you wish to. You do have your Bluetooth here, you have your media connectivity, you have USB auxiliary input as well, and there's even a CD player there. You can access all different ways of playing your own source of audio. You do have your Bluetooth phone menu here where you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go and keep up to date with whoever you need to and ensure you don't miss any important phone calls. You can see you can even import your phone book into the vehicle so you can access all of your contacts very easily. You do have some vehicle settings here. You can access them on the My V70 page. You have your city safety, which will work at lower speeds around town, and emergency brake to prevent or reduce impact. You also have your driver alert for when you're losing concentration. And there's even your collision warning as well, so you can keep nice and safe on the road. It'll alert you of any potential hazards, so you can be very on the ball, ready to emergency brake. Moving down as well, you do have your navigation, so you can be sure you're never lost and can take this vehicle to all new destinations with ease. It's very nice, clear, easy to use guidance with a nice clear display there. It's a nice coloured touch to it as well. You can change the view using the scroller to zoom in and out there, changing the view however way you wish to. Another great feature you have as well are rear sensors, giving you added confidence when reverse parking, as it does make you more aware of your surroundings to the rear of the vehicle or things you may be able to see. They are activated when you select a reverse gear, ready to give you guidance on how close you are to objects. Below here as well, you do have your dual zone climate control that allows the driver and passenger to make their own preferred temperatures for their side of the vehicle. It does prevent any arguments on being too hot or too cold. You can see when you make adjustments to the air conditioning, you can see it's displayed there at the bottom of the infotainment screen, so you don't have to take your eyes too far off the road to check you've made the correct adjustments you wish to. A nice touch you have as well are front heated seats with 3 different temperature options, so you can keep nice and warm during winter. They're a nice feature to have. You can warm up in just a matter of minutes there. You have your sensors on and off there. You have your lane keeping system on and off, which will keep you held in the lane and will alert you when you're starting to drift out so you don't collide with other road users. You even have your blind spot monitoring as well. This will alert you of any vehicles or objects in your blind spot so you can be cautious when manoeuvring, changing lanes for example. There your automatic gear selector. Thanks for watching this video on the Volvo V70 2.4 D5 SE Lux Geartronic. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.